Let me see how they will lay their filthy hands on this again.
You see this throne? I will not let it go. Instead, let it take my life. I will fight for it. I will go back to the city and I will make money by hook or crook.
As long as I am alive, no one will walk into this palace to throw us out. I am ready for war.
Our late father did not have a son. None of us got married before he died. None of us has what it takes according to tradition to retain the throne.
Not even death can come between me and that throne. Nothing will stop me from becoming the prince of this land.
If you dare me, I will do something so nasty that any ear that hears it will tingle.
I am not leaving this place. I am here to rule. Let the meeting begin. I want to marry you. I want to rule this kingdom through you and with you.
I, Cindy, I will marry Oliver. Bet me. I bet you. This little thing will not get married before me. It will never happen. Never.
And I want you to also know that you cannot get married before me.
So you arranged for the princess to marry your son so that you can drag my throne with me.
Move, keep moving.
You better take your miserable self and get out of here. Otherwise, I am going to order these men to beat you blue, black, yellow, green, any color I so choose.
Do you really dare me? I have a mind of landing you a heavy blow in between your face so you know how serious I am.
I am warning you. What is all this nonsense? Throw this, throw that.
Okay, for all of you that think that my family will amount to nothing in this kingdom, you will hear from me.
The killer of my father must be found. If not, there will not be any coronation. I am ready to give you people whatever you want. If it is war you want, I will give you double.
Okay, come forth and crown me king peacefully. Else you'll be killed this instant.
Hey! I'll crown you.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.